So my name is Jennifer Nguyen and I'm a senior at Ann Sabrata High School here in Morgan Hill, and what I do at the Bridge Project is I just volunteer here and help kids around this neighborhood at Jasmine Square. What we do is we help tutor kids with their homework, and we also help them read, and this will affect them in the long term because in their teenage years and adult life they'll learn how to comprehend English better as they learn the language over the years. So working at the Bridge Project is absolutely a pleasure because with working with kids you learn a lot yourself as a teenager. What you learn with working with the kids is patience, of course, because some of the kids here, sometimes they do get on your nerves and they don't always go exactly the way you want to, so that's something that you have to improve on with the kids. When I work with the kids, I know that I feel like I'm giving something back because I know that when they learn what I give them, they'll eventually take that as they grow into adults and eventually teach their own kids when they have their own kids. With volunteering, you are trying to benefit the community, and this is one of the events where you're trying to benefit the kids here at Jasmine Square. And with Key Club and CSF, we're all pretty much connected into one purpose, is to serve for the community, and I think that's what the Bridge Project has successfully done. So with the Bridge Project, we help kids to improve their English because they're from a Spanish-speaking background, and I think without this program, they wouldn't have improved English other than their normal school routine. If they have more practice after school, like at the Bridge Project, then they can improve. But if they didn't attend this program, then there's no other way how they can just practice at home.